fresh cooking today. I'm gonna make some tofu with vegetables, some bell pepper and onions. I'm gonna put some fresh mushrooms. I'm gonna be adding some tofu to these vegetables. Some seasoning. It's looking good. It's looking really good. The tofu, mushroom, bell pepper, and onion. I'm gonna be adding some tomatoes. And some leftover rice from yesterday. Also, I'll be doing some beef patties. This is almost done. The tofu, rice, and veggies is looking good. Let it keep cooking. Looking good. These are the beef patties. The rice is done. This is rice with tofu and veggies. It's looking good. The beef patties are almost done. The beef patties are done. And more is still on the way. I hope God bless you today with a nice meal. Look at the rice. It's looking really nice. It's gonna be tasty. So I hope you have a nice meal in your house today. God bless you with the love and effort to make a meal for your family. All right, I'm gonna let you go. Food is ready. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna taste this delicious food, and remember, if you make it with love, it's gonna taste good.